I've always been a fan of math and science when I was small. I really enjoyed solving the logic problems, and I really enjoyed challenging my brain with different ways of thinking and different new concepts. And I haven't really picked up computer science until recently, in grade 8, grade 9. I was really new to computer science, but then I realized that computer science had so much more potential. It was really similar to math. It uses a lot of equations and logic from math, but then you also have the technological aspect. It's much faster. You can compute so much more with a computer. And I was also interested in new technologies. So it was a cool way to kind of immerse myself in technology while still preserving the math aspect.
For me, computer science is something that really lets you express your creativity and create whatever you want, whether it be a game or a web page. And there's so many possible applications of computer science, from the medical field and etc.
I really enjoy working with computers. I like coding something and being able to say, hey, look, I made this thing. I coded it myself.
Computer science is not just about learning a programming language, coding a computer, and building software, building apps. We do much more than that. At RHHS, we learn skills and develop students for their future, irrelevant of what pathway they may choose. We spend a lot of time problem solving, critical thinking, group teamwork skills, organization skills, just kind of 21st century skills that you need to be successful in your career. You go into business, you go into science, there's no way you can escape the fact that you're going to have to use computers, you're going to have to understand technology, because this is the world we live in.
We're actually doing quite a lot of things with computer engineering. We're going to be building a arcade machine using a Raspberry Pi as the core CPU. We're planning to code all the games ourselves. Other than that, we're just teaching the kids how to be familiar with basic frameworks.
I would say don't be afraid that, oh, there aren't other women in this class, that means that I can't do it, right? Or those are things that at the end of the day aren't as important as what your own skill set is and what your own interest is. And it's really important to just pursue, what you want to do.
I think personally that everybody has to have a working knowledge and at least some minimal skills around using the technology, because the fact of the matter is it's everywhere and it's not going away. It's a cutting edge industry that's constantly changing. That's exciting because you can be a part of a change rather than learning what someone else has already done. You get to break new ground and try new things and perhaps create something for yourself that's unique and meaningful.